tell me a little bit about this Blackstone grill.
All right, well, we got our 36-inch Blackstone griddle. You know, cook anything, anywhere, anytime, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And right now we are making Smashburgers. We got a big crowd here. Smells amazing. And you know, let's get into it. So we've got caramelized onions. I cook these for about an hour. You know, you got to take your time. Really, like, you know, let them cook, caramelize, get those natural sugars out. And then once that's done, we've got 80-20 beef rolled out into 3-ounce portions. And then we're gonna smash that.
I learned a trick right there.
Yeah.
I like how you did a couple of them at one time. Soak up that grease, right?
Yeah, dude.
So you put any seasoning on those burgers at all?
Yeah, we have our SPG salt, pepper, garlic seasoning from Blackstone. You know, we're keeping it simple. That's all you really need. I threw that on the onions as well. We've got American cheese, special burger sauce, and that's it. Nice and simple. And yeah, make these for your friends. They're perfect for a tailgate, whatever you want.
Sweet deal, man. Thanks a lot.
Of course, dude.